Hello, my friends. Come with me and see the Bellagio Fountain filmed at dusk and experience the fantastic beauty of music and water effects. I think this is the top attraction in Vegas, and I will always stop to watch it. Now sit back and get ready to immerse yourself with this experience with me. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more fantastic future videos.
What a glorious feeling, I'm happy, I'm laughing at times, dark the sun's let the stormy clouds taste till they're one from the place. I'm singing and dancing again.
I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Now, let's talk about this week's small channel introduction. This week's small channel introduction is Leap of Faith. This channel does everything as it relates to Disney merchandise. They go to Disney character warehouses a lot, and which is good because who doesn't like a magical deal? Now go to their channel and check them out. I am sure you will enjoy their channel.